SUI 2024 price predictions and beyond. In this video, we're going to cover where SUI is at now, where it could head to, and where it could extend to in this bull market madness that's happening as we speak for Bitcoin, altcoins, and especially SUI right now. I'm going to show you why I had to do this urgent video on SUI and what I'm seeing in the charts. Because right now, SUI, it could be on the precipice of a big price explosion. So you're going to want to share this with every SUI holder you know. Tell them to get their calculators out because we're going to run some projections and predictions of where it could go to in this 2024 bull run. But before I continue, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you with the Stargate custom indicators where SUI is potentially projected to go. So definitely subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment of a coin you want me to cover for a video like this, and I will do it. I promise you, leave that comment. So if there's a specific coin you want covered, leave that comment of that coin's ticker and I will cover it. And if you haven't already seen our previous dozens of 2024 price prediction videos, then I will leave a link in the bio so you can access the playlist of all the 2024 price videos we've done for like Flare, IOTA, Ordi, Big Time, XCN, Avalanche, Beam, XRP, XLM, a bunch of them. We've done dozens. We got dozens more. So I will leave the link to that playlist so you can watch all those. And you're going to want to subscribe, hit that notification bell for when we drop dozens more in the month of January here. Also, link in the bio, come join the Discord. If you didn't want to go to the playlist there, then you can come join the Discord. And we have the moonshot targets. All the videos are going to be in here so you never forget them. And come say what up. My name is Rob at Stargate. I want to see how you're liking these videos. Come say what up. Join the Discord. Come in there. So now let's dive into it. SUI, straight out of the gate. It's a shy below $1. Shy below $1. It's 98 cents basically right now. It is Thursday, January 11th. It's 3 a.m. And what I'm seeing with SUI as we speak is breaking past these highs that I had set back in December. So December 24th, we shot to like 90 cents. You know, we've been wrestling around with that area. And right now, tonight, we are breaking above 98 cents and we could potentially be getting close to getting over $1. So where do I want to see SUI hold if it comes back down? Where must it hold to continue in this uptrend that it's in? I would say, before I go any further, let me explain kind of what's on the screen. We have the Stargate Fib forecaster up. It's a combination of micro, medium, and macro Fibonacci retracements and extensions. We have the Stargate snakes up. This green is the belly of the beast, usually the best times to buy for accumulation in bear markets. And this red hot zone up here is the best time to sell and kind of let off some profits for the tops of bull markets. Then we have the Stargate signals. We have a vertical prepare to sell soon signal. We don't have the other signals on this time frame on the chart, but if I go to a lower time frame, you'll be able to see the other signals, which are the vertical green prepare to buy soon, vertical blue buy now, vertical red prepare to sell soon, and vertical yellow sell now signal. But on the 3-day chart, which is what we're going to be looking at SUI on, we only have one signal to date, and that's a vertical red prepare to sell soon, December 27th, that flashed. And the prepare to sell soon, it's not like you're going to sell right then and there. You're preparing, and you're preparing because price is about to go up. It's heating up in a big way. And we're seeing the result of that right now, a week later with SUI breaking out. No sell now yet. So now that we covered that, I just want to say, if we were to fall down with SUI, where's the concrete support floor that we must hold? There's a couple levels. In the short term, the first level, I want to see 85 cents hold with candle body closes. We don't want to break back down below there because then we're negating this breakout right now. Then if we were to break down from there, where do I want to see us hold? I'd want to see the top of the belly of the beast here around 66 cents. We don't want to get back in the belly of the beast because as you can see here, we wrestled around with it all November, December. When we broke out of it, we came back up, came back down and retested that support a couple times. So we do not want to see us go back into the belly of the beast. So first level in the short term, we must hold 85 cents. And then if we were to break that for any reason, 67 cents is the next area we must hold. And as I'm recording this video, SUI's on the precipice of breaking above $1, and it could move rapidly from that point. So let's cover some extension levels now that it's breaking out. Perfect time to cover it. Where do I think SUI's going to melt up to? Well, looking to the left, we broke above this kind of fall off point here with this 95 cent break above. That was back in here in May. We kind of held it as support, but when we broke off from that point, we tanked. Then we kind of got close to coming up to it, but we got rejected. This wick right there, and if I hide the snakes, you can see that was a key level. That was the level we had some trouble with for the past month now. and we just smashed through it, and we smashed through this key level. So where we're kind of at right now is a key level around like $1 because the psychological level of $1. But as you can see, support broke down below it, rejection. So $1 is the first level we must crack above. We must crack above $1. Where do I think we're going to go to next after cracking above $1, which I think we very well much could easily, is $1.09. $1.09 is the next target. Where could we head to if we have enough momentum? After that point, $1.40 and then $1.64. But let me then draw my own fib here from this high that we had set kind of on the initial launch of SUI back in May to the bear market bottom here. And that is our 786 at $1.44. So our concrete ceiling, which we must smash above. We must smash above this level for price discovery for SUI is $1.44 to $1.40. That's our concrete ceiling. If we were to break above that level, well, our next kind of short-term level is $1.64. And if I throw those snakes back on, we have many more levels here. So our concrete ceiling is $1.40. Smashing above there, to me, screams that we're just going to head right up to this orange moving average around $1.85. But if we have enough momentum and enough juice, we could head up to the bottom of the hot zone around $3.30. And then with enough momentum, we could smash up to the top of the hot zone, which is coinciding with the 1618 breakout extension of the macro top to the macro bottom. Upon breaking out of this concrete ceiling, we could quickly head up to the 1618 extension, which so happens to be in line with the top of the hot zone. And as price moves up, these snakes are going to move up. So the hot zone can be a little bit higher by the time we start to reach up there. As you can see, the curvature already starting to happen now that prices have started to move up. But let's say SUI just goes on an all-out tear. Where could it go for its medium moon? Because I would say our mini moon is from current levels to the hot zone. Our medium moon is to the 2618 extension around $37. Our absolute mega moon, I don't know if it's possible in 2024, but we'll cover that at the end to see if it's realistic, is around $216 to $646. $216 to $646. So let's cover that. So mini moon, it's $3.30 to $6.30. So $3.30 to $6.30. And in my opinion, $6.30 seems like the reasonable target there. That's our mini moon. And that is about, from current levels, we just smashed above $1. Like I said, this is urgent that I get this video out. That's a 6x from current levels. 6x. Then our medium moon is the $36. That's a 36x from current levels because we're at $1. Our medium moon, 36x. Then our absolute mega moon, which you let me know in the comments if you think it's possible. And to me, from a glance, doesn't seem likely because we're talking a 217x to a 643x, which is nuts. For every $1,000 you put in, that's 643,000 on the high end. That's our mega super moon. And in my opinion, from a first glance, I don't think we could see that in 2024, but you let me know. Do you think it's possible? I personally don't think it is. As far as the mini moon, I could see that easily happening in 2024. Maybe the medium moon could happen, but we'll have to see if SUI has the staying power and it's being utilized. It has the partners, it has the traction, it has limited supply, unlimited demand. And looking at SUI on CoinMarketCap, a lot of volumes flowing through. It's only at $1 billion market cap, and there is a max supply. So there's a limited supply of SUI if it can bring a ton of demand in, unlimited demand, and it's one of the go-to kind of chains as far as building on, you know, a 36x to that medium moon brings it to 36 billion. Looking at the total crypto market cap, if we're going to see it balloon to 7 to 10 trillion, I mean, a 36 billion SUI doesn't seem out of the realms, especially if, you know, all these are going to kind of float up. Then SUI could definitely float up with it and kind of take these market caps on. So in my opinion, I could see the mini moon happening. That's 6x, 3.3 to 6x. And then the medium moon, I could see happening if we have that all-out mania, which is a 36x. In my opinion, 217x to 643x for a mega supermoon is not likely, in my opinion, because that would bring it to, you know, super high market cap. We're talking about like 213 billion to 617 billion market cap for SUI. In my opinion, it's not likely. Maybe by the end of this decade, if it has a staying power, but that remains to be unseen. So SUI is definitely on a roll right now. And that's why I want to get out this urgent video. We just broke above $1 and we actually hit our first target target here. We hit our first target. So our next one's $1.10. We can smash above that. We're going up to our concrete ceiling, and that's going to be the key moment that if we can smash above, we're going to pull some 100% moves rather quickly to new all-time high in price discovery. Also, another key thing, which I haven't showed on any other one of these videos, is the SUI to Bitcoin chart. And just like I showed you here, breaking out of the belly of the beast is huge. And on the SUI to Bitcoin chart, as we speak, we're pressing up right through it. And this could get very, very serious because usually on the break of the 786, you go to the 2618. And from current levels, that's about a 56% move against Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin stays flat, it's just going to go up 56%. But if say Bitcoin pulls a 50% move, then we're talking a SUI a double. I think we're going to see SUI pull a 50% move to around $1.50. And that brings us up $1.40, $1.50. That brings us right up to that concrete ceiling. And that's going to be the key point, whether or not SUI is about to go bonkers. That's it, guys. You let me know in the comments you think that's reasonable or not. I personally think that the mini moon is reasonable. The medium moon definitely likely could happen. The mega moon, in my opinion, very unlikely to happen in 2024. But you let me know in the comments, do you hold SUI? Personally, a holder of SUI. I'm going to be buying a little bit more right after this video, especially because we're breaking those key levels. And also let me know in the comments if there's a specific coin you want me to cover, and I will cover it. I promise you I'll cover it. Just leave that ticker and come join the Discord. It's Rob at Stargate. Come say what up. Let me know if you got any SUI, how you're liking these videos. Price prediction playlist is going to be in the description of this video. And if you want to get access to all the stuff I'm showing you on your screen, you want to get access to our premium channels in the Discord with these call outs and everything, you want access to our software, our educational course programs to learn how to do this for yourself, then stargate-ventures.com, book a free call, hop on a call with me and learn what Stargate is all about and how we can help you on your journey in crypto. So that's going to be it, guys. I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'll see you in VIP Premium Stargate, and I'll see you in the next video.